So I wanted to show you basically what would happen when you received your blank website from me after I've got it all set up on the server, got it pointed in the right direction, everything's legit. You get this. It looks just like this. It's a blank page. It'll have your name, and you want to click down here where you sign into your site. You put the username that we gave you. Okay. Password that I give you. You can always go in and change this later too. Okay, and I encourage you to do that. So now we got a blank page, and you've got this nice little toolbar up here. This I will add for you. It doesn't automatically come on, but I will probably add this, and we'll see what's going to happen with the file manager. That's a little more technical. So let's do this real quick. Okay, here's what I want to do. Comes with a certain number of page styles. So first I'm going to go in and I want to make a new page style. So I click on the dashboard and I go down here to Pages and Themes. Page type. And simply click on that real quick. Now you see I've got 4 basic, and we're going to add a page type. Now, go ahead and just add this one real quick. So we'll add that. We'll say this will be long top. Okay. So this got the long top. Long underscore top. That's the one right there. And we have our meta title, metadata. Okay. We click on all those and we go down. Now we add that page. Now this page has been added to our collection of pages that we now have available. So now you have all these pages available. Okay. Let's close that out. Let's go back to the website. Now you've added another successful page. And I'll show you where that comes into play. Now we go over here to edit this page. Now we're going to create our theme. Okay, I'm sorry, you don't click edit, you just hover over edit and you come down to design. Okay, now this first page of mine is going to be my introduction page, and I want this left hand menu, which means the menu will be right here. There'll be a long top, and then there'll be a big box here. And I would like to have as my first page, I'm going to just go ahead and try this one right here. See what that looks like. Just to see what it looks like for. You don't have to all the way save it. But I kind of like this one. It's simple. It's going to have my nice menu bar right across the top here. I'm going to have my main simple. And then I have my bar on the right hand side, which is the one that I chose. Now you see this is interesting because I don't really want the bar on the right. So now this is interesting. So we made a mistake, okay? Now how do you correct that mistake? It's real simple. You go up here to discard my edits. Bada boom, bada bing, you are back to the very first page. Now I want to go up here and I want to go to design again. Now I want a left-hand menu, so I'm going to click left-hand menu. Then I'm going to go down here, and I kind of liked that style that we were just in. It was called D style. I kind of liked that because it was very, very simple. I'm going to just pick D style real quick. Okay, and I think that's going to be the front of my page. Although you see how it's still like this. Now what that tells me is that the theme has overridden my choice. So with this particular theme, I'm not allowed to have a sidebar. You just simply discard it. And here's what you do if you don't want to go through doing what I'm doing right now. If you just want to take a look at a theme, what it would look like, then you just hover over the mouse like this. Little preview. You hit preview, and it'll actually show you what it looks like. Okay. I don't really like that one. It didn't really come out that well. Alright, so we're gonna settle on one. Let's see what Calipe looks like. Okay, again, I'm not really sure. So you just kind of play around, you figure out which one you want to do. We're going to stick with this one for a sec. We're just going to go with Calipe, see how it works. Okay, now as you can see, I've got something going on up here which I kind of like. Got a header, and I got main, but I've got no side columns, so I don't really like that one. Okay, so I simply just discard my edits. I start over again, and that's how you put your theme and pick your theme on your site.